Hey miss, so here I have a cubic function and I already graphed it on Desmos, and on this video I'll be explaining how to find the derivative of a function without using any algebra. So when we're talking about derivative, we have to mention the slope, and in this graph the slope is changing many times since it starts at a positive slope and then negative and then positive again. So here the slope is positive until the maximum local point, and then it's negative till the negative local point, and then it has a positive infinity. When we're looking to get the derivative of it, we have to make a point somewhere right here, because the first like when the graph starts, it has a positive slope, so the point has to be at the top, and then we make another point somewhere over here because we're trying to get a quadratic function, since we already have a cubic one. So we just have to connect those points together by sketching it. So right here, that would be our first derivative, which is a quadratic function. After finding the quadratic, we're looking for a second derivative, which is a linear equation, since we're going a degree down each time we find a derivative. So here we look at the point of inflection, which is located somewhere over here. Our linear graph has to be positive, since both our graphs were positive, and the quadratic was positive because it opens up. So we put a point over here and we just make a straight line just fixing it. That would be our first derivative, or our second derivative actually, because we already had our first derivative and it was a quadratic function, and here we have a linear, which is the second derivative. And that's it. Now we check on Desmos to see if it looks the same. And yeah, it looks very similar to our graph. Thank you.